Lewis acid-base theory. So let's get started. So students, let's start this concept. Basically, Lewis acid-base theory is the most generalized form of acid-base theory. In this theory is based on electron, students. So basically, this theory is based on electron pair, right? Electron pair में based होती है. If I talk about the Bronsted theory, जो हमने previous video में हमारा देखा था, that theory was based on protons, right? But this theory was based on electrons. So don't get confused between these two. See here, according to this theory, if any compound which accept electron acceptor compounds are known as acid, and electron donor, जो electron donor होंगे, they will be known as base. So what we can say that electrophile compounds जो होंगे, these are acids. Electrophile मतलब जो electrons को की तरफ attract होते हैं, right? And bases are those which are nucleophile. Okay? So let's see what will be the generalized form of this. Suppose A plus and B minus, a cation and anion. Right? So let's see, A plus है मेरे पास. So A plus it will be electrophile or nucleophile. Obviously positive tendency है, positive ion है. So इसकी tendency क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन को attract करेगा. Obviously electrophile होगा. So this will be our Lewis acid, right? And ये क्या है? इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव चार्ज है, तो इसकी टेंडेंसी क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा. सो दिस विल बी लुईस बेस, राइट? एंड दे विल फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड एंड दिस बॉन्ड विल बी नोन एज कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. Clear, students? So let's see one example of this. Suppose ammonia and BF3. So students, ये इसमें एक lone pair है already, right? So lone pair है, so it will be electron donor. It will behave like a base. और ये हमारा electron deficient है. So electron deficient है, so it will be behave like an acceptor. It will be acid. So ये जो bond बनाएंगे, it will be like this. Okay students? So let's see कैसे reaction हुआ है. See students, nitrogen है मेरे पास. See, nitrogen. How many electrons it has in the outermost shell? 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And 3 hydrogens are here. So let's see. Suppose 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, and 3. Hydrogen के पास अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, right? So ये हाइड्रोजन ने अपना डुप्लेट कंप्लीट किया. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन ने अपना डुप्लेट कंप्लीट किया, और यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons, right? So, but यहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन के पास 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर फ्री है, so it will be electron rich species. Okay? So ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? Electron rich. Right student? Let's say BF3. ये क्या है? Electron deficient है. Let's see how. See students, boron, right? बोरोन के आउटरमोस्ट शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? 3, राइट? सो 1, 2, 3. नाउ फ्लोरीन. फ्लोरीन के आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग फ्लोरीन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, राइट? हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And another fluorine be taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. ये fluorine का octet complete, ये fluorine का octet complete, and here यहाँ पे octet complete, right? If I talk about the boron, boron के पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons है. So this is the electron deficient species. This is electron deficient, right? So students, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है तो इसकी टेंडेंसी क्या होगी? इट विल डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट? इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल बी आवर लुईस बेस. एंड हियर इट इज द इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट. इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है तो इसकी टेंडेंसी क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेगा, राइट? सो दिस विल बी आवर लुईस एसिड. Clear? So this will be our Lewis acid, Lewis base and Lewis acid. I hope आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर और डोनेटिंग वाला कंसेप्ट क्लियर है. Now students, let's understand Lewis acid and Lewis base in detail. Students, Lewis acid कौन-कौन से होंगे हमारे? So first point is, कौन सा Lewis acid होगा? All simple cation. Simple cations are Lewis acid. सिंपल केटायंस क्या हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स? सपोज Na+, Fe+2, Cu+2, Fe+3, etc. Right? So simple cations are Lewis acid. Obviously students, पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो टेंडेंसी क्या होगी इनकी? They will be electrophilic. इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिव. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलिक होंगे. सो क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, सो दे विल बी एसिड्स. सिंपल केटायंस आर लुईस एसिड्स. बट देयर इज एन एक्सेप्शन. एक्सेप्शन है हमारे पास NH4+ and PH4+. Remember that these are the exception. These are not considered as These are not Lewis acid. Okay. Second आता है हमारा an atom, ion or molecule. An atom, ion or molecule with incomplete octet. Students, with incomplete octet. जो अभी हमने बात की थी BF3 में, right? Octet, right? For example, BF3 अभी हमने देखा था, it was electron deficient, right? AlF3, right? FeCl3, etc. So, an atom molecule with an incomplete octet. यहाँ पे incomplete octet है, obviously electron deficient होंगे. Electron deficient है तो their tendency will be electrophilic. So they will accept the electrons, so they will consider it as a Lewis acid. And next point is, compound has vacant d orbital. जिनके d orbital vacant होंगे, the compound has vacant d orbital. For example, SiF4, SiBr4, right, etc. So those compounds which has the vacant d orbital, they will be also considered as a Lewis acid. Our next point is compounds that have multiple bonds. Students, compounds that have multiple bonds between two atoms, between two different atoms with different electronegativity. Different electron negativity. So students, see, let's see how. For example, CO2, SO2. See students, how? Suppose let's take CO2 and our OH minus, see हमारा बेस हो जाएगा. See, students क्या राइट। सो ये हमारा क्या बन जाएगा, HCO3 माइनस आयन, राइट। सो ये बन जाएगा HCO3 माइनस। सो दिस विल बी आवर लुईस एसिड। सो compound that has multiple bond between the two different atoms and different electronegativity. Okay, so these are also considered as a Lewis acids. So these are the Lewis acids. Now let's have Lewis bases. So students, let's see what are the Lewis bases. Our first point, all anions like OH minus, Cl minus, fluorine, cyanide. So these all negative anions. So students, negative anions hai, so their tendency will be they will donate the electron, so they will be considered as a Lewis base. So all anions will be considered as a Lewis base. Let's see the second point. So that is the neutral molecule containing at least one lone pair. At least one lone pair, students. For example, ammonia, as we have seen already, this is the electron rich, जो हमने अभी previous example में देखा था. So this is the electron rich, so it will donate the electron, and right. So these, the neutral molecule containing at least one lone pair है, so that will be considered as a Lewis base. Let's see the next one. Students, एक exception है यहाँ पर in the lone pair. See, mostly exam में पूछा भी जाता है कार्बीन. So carbene, here there is a lone pair, but this is not a Lewis base because ये जो हमारा सेंट्रल एटम है यहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट ऑक्टेट है. And CCl2. So this is the exception. Remember that mostly exams में ये पूछा जाता है. Next point is carbon containing carbon-carbon multiple bond. Carbon containing carbon-carbon multiple bond. Like CH2 containing the multiple bond. So this will be considered as a Lewis base. So students, this is all about the Lewis acid and Lewis base. I hope now you understand what are the Lewis acids and Lewis base. So that's all about for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.